Welcome back to your daily dose of discovery. Let's unravel today's intriguing question.
To consolidate your Blizzard accounts, log in to the Blizzard account management site and access the Connections section. From there, you can link and manage all your Blizzard accounts as well as integrate other platforms like Xbox, PlayStation, and more. Ensure that you have access to all the accounts you want to consolidate and follow on-screen prompts for verification and merging.
Our quest for knowledge never ends. Thanks for being part of today's discovery. Subscribe, like, and share to join us on the next one.